One of the best budget-friendly ways to refresh a space or to make a big impact is with paint. Putting a new color on the wall is one thing, but paint is a great way to add color and pattern to walls or ceilings as well. Over the years, I've done all sorts of fun things with paint. Stripes on the walls, stripes on the ceilings, a painted headboard in my son's room, and even used stencils, and it can be really frustrating to put in the work and end up with not so nice looking paint lines. But there's a really easy trick to getting those perfect paint lines every single time, and it's a must-do if you want a really nice finished look and if you have any texture on the surface that you're painting. When you apply your painter's tape to create your paint lines, you probably already press it down firmly to the surface, but it's nearly impossible to get every single tiny gap between the painter's tape and the wall. So when you apply the paint and it expands a bit as it dries, it seeps into those tiny gaps, and when you pull the tape off, you have ugly paint lines, and it's a really big pain in the butt to touch up all those little mistakes. But there's a way to seal those gaps. Here's what you need to do. Apply your painter's tape to your surface and press down along the edges firmly to get a really good bond. Then paint a coat of the original surface color along the line where your new color is going to go and let it dry completely. This color will seep into those tiny gaps and seal them, and since it's the same color that's already on the surface, it won't show. Once it's dry, you can apply the second color. If you're doing more than one coat, let the paint dry between coats, but definitely remove the tape when the final coat is still wet. As soon as you remove the tape, you'll see your perfect paint lines.